Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you eager to improve your English skills? Try in this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to learn English effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve in English? Do you want to improve your speaking, listening, reading, or writing skills? Identify your goals and write them down. Step 2. Learn grammar basics. Understand the present, past, and future tenses. Familiarize yourself with verb conjugations, nouns, and sentence structures. Step 3. Practice vocabulary. Learn new words daily using flashcards or apps like Duolingo. Focus on common phrases and expressions. Step 4. Listen and speak. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, or TED Talks. Practice speaking with native speakers, either in person or online. Step 5. Read and write. Read English books, articles, or news. Write journal entries, short stories, or practice writing essays. Step 6. Immerse yourself. Watch English movies, TV shows, or documentaries. Change your phone settings to English. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll see improvement in your English skills. Remember, consistency is key. Practice every day, and you'll be fluent in no time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips and resources.